I offer my humble pranam at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Welcome to video lecture on microcontroller and embedded system laboratory. In this lecture, I'm going to explain about interface buzzer to LPC2148 microcontroller and write a C program to control buzzer using push button switch. So this is the block diagram for this. This is our LPC2148 microcontroller. It's a 32-bit microcontroller. So there will be input device called switch S1. Okay, it's an example for input device. It's an example for output device. Buzzer is an example for output device. The switch is connected at port 1 P1.16 and this buzzer is connected at P0, that's P0.30, P0.30. Just we are using one pin from P0 and one pin from P1. We have to configure this pin as input and P0.30 as output. The P1.16 as input and we have to configure P0.30 as output. So by default, port 0 as well as port 1 as configured as input. So no need to configure explicitly if it is input, but if it is output, how to configure. So by default, the IO direction register contains zeros. If it is 0, it is input. If it is 1, output. Therefore, by default, the content of IO dir equal to 0. Therefore, no need to configure explicitly for input device. If it is output, how to configure. Just I'm going to explain the circuit diagram in detail. Yes, we can see that. So here, this is our LPC2148 microcontroller. LPC2148 microcontroller. Here there will be a switch, SW1, that's S1, it's a switch which is connected at P1.16, and there will be buzzer which is connected at P0.30. Therefore, here this is an example for input device, it's an example for output device. And I told you already, by default, IO direction register contain 0 means it is input. No need to configure for especially input, but to configure only for output. That is here P0 at 30 output and P1.16 as input. It comes under port 1, this comes under port 0. Okay. Now here already I explained about LEDs and switches in the previous lecture. For more details, you can go through the previous videos. Now here by default the switch is open. The potential at this point is 1. Okay. Now if you go for IO pin, pin register, it contains 1. So 1 means the switch is open. If you try to close a switch, then this part is directly connected to the ground. The potential becomes low. Okay. Here, if you want to make it on, if you create a beep sound, we have to make it high. Okay. If you want to switch off, you have to make it low. Then, if you want to make it low, you have to go for IO clear. If you want to make it high, you have to go for IO set register. Here, you have to go for IO clear 0 and IO set 0 because we are using what? That is P0. But here I have to get the information from this switch. Therefore, I have to go for IO pin 1. Because why you have to go for IO pin 1? Because we are using port 1. That is P1.16. Okay. You can go for the program as include LPC2148. Now here as defined S1. Because the S1 is connected at P1.16. Therefore, we have to make that particular pin is high. Therefore, S1 shift 1 how many times? 16 times. Okay, because we are using P1.16. Then int main void IO direction 0 equal to 1. Means if you execute this particular statement, what happens? It makes it configure P0 dot the key as output. If you execute this statement, by the time it's going to configure P0.30 as output. What about P1.16? It's already configured as input. So I don't need to configure because by default it is configured as input. Now while that is beginning of the while, end of the while, it's infinite loop. Then if you come to this IO pin 1, because we are using P1.16, let's try to go for IO pin 1. If it is something like P0.16, then we have to go for IO pin 0. Then IO pin 1. What is the status of this? P1.16. P1.16. What is the status of P1.16? That is, if it is open, actually that particular IO pin, the bit number 16 of IO pin becomes 1. Therefore, this is replaced by what? 1. If it is open, then what is the status of S1? That is also 1. That is 1 and 1. That becomes set totally 1. Therefore, not 1. That is not 1 becomes 0. Not 1 becomes 0. If 0, that is false, then make this pin, that is P0 dot 30 as low, means that is off. Okay, it means you won't get any sound, beep sound. Okay, suppose if you close the switch, if this switch is closed, switch is closed, it's connected to ground, the potential at this point becomes low. Therefore, this is replaced by low. Then 0 into 1, what will get? We'll get low. That is not low, that becomes high. Not low becomes high. If all things replaced by high, that is true. Then make this pin is high. Then you can able to get the buzzer sound. Okay, if you press, you get beep sound. If you release, that is off. Okay, if you press on, if you release, off. So this is the logic behind this particular thing. Just I'm going to give the demo for this. Just you can see here. Okay, so this is the LPC2148 board. Okay, now here what you have, this is S8. Here we have switch S1, so you can able to get the sound. Okay, now this is your switch one S1. Okay, this is buzzer. This is your switch. This is buzzer. This is switch. If you press this, that is on. If you release, off. So that is off. By default, is open. That's off. If you press, okay, if you keep hold up, because it's an infinite loop, it remains on. If you release, off. If you press, that is on. Okay. So any doubts here? Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, you can write your doubts in a comment section. Thank you.